Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Versace model, VE3274B, in color code 108. It's a dark Havana color frame. On the temple here we have a gold color temple with a Versace logo in gold. And a dark Havana color temple tip with a Versace emblem at the temple tip. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This side of the temple is the same. These are demo lenses stamped with a Versace logo on the left. The style of the frame is full rim cat eye. And this frame is RXable. Up here we have a Versace gift box, a case to put your glasses in, microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.